We actually have a cold front coming in tomorrow. And temperatures should be a little bit better than today. Today, we made it to 92 degrees, 10 degrees above normal. The record, though, 97. We were actually closer to the record high today than the normal. We were, of course, rain-free, but we do have some cumulus clouds still out there, but these are not rainmakers. This is our DFW camera. Temperatures are still in the low 90s. The wind is coming in out of the east-northeast. It's pretty light. We're at 92 degrees in Fort Worth, 89 in Decatur, 93 in Mineral Wells, 91 right now in Canton. Across the Metroplex, we've got a 92 in Arlington, and 89 in Denton, 90 in Richardson, and Mesquite always running a little hot, saying 95 degrees right now. Started out under clear skies this morning, but as the day went on, we started to heat up. Well, the clouds started to build up a little bit as well. A couple of showers looks like across southeast Oklahoma, trying to make their way south of the Red River, but I think that whatever we're seeing around Sulphur Springs probably not reaching the ground. It's just too dry in the lower levels of the atmosphere, at least at this point. But the moisture has been increasing out of the Gulf of Mexico. But for us, really, that just means it's getting a little bit more humid. Our relief, a little bit of relief, it's going to be right now across the Panhandle and parts of northwest Oklahoma. That's associated with the cold front. Those showers are, and that's going to be dropping south and east over the next several hours. So this cold front will eventually move into North Texas, but that's not going to happen this evening. In fact, it doesn't look like it's going to happen overnight tonight. We're going to be staying clear. There's not going to be a whole lot of change. But finally, this is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the cold front moving through Wichita Falls. At about 8 o'clock, now we're looking around Decatur, Denton, eventually making its way across DFW. With that being said, later in the afternoon, I think we're going to see a little bit more cloud cover, kind of like what we had today. But this time, some of the latest data is trying to show a couple of isolated showers, but the overall coverage of that rain, it's only going to be at about 10%. So most of us will end up staying dry. We're not going to see the rain, but there's a little bit of chance that you could get maybe a stray shower. And then tomorrow evening, most of that just kind of goes away again. Tonight, though, we're dropping down into the upper 60s and low 70s, about 70 in McKinney, 68 in Decatur, 69 in Fort Worth, 71 tomorrow morning in Corsicana. And then tomorrow afternoon, again, partly cloudy, a very low chance of rain. So temperatures should be a little bit better than what they were today, if you consider cooler better. 89 degrees in Dallas and the normal, still 82 tomorrow, 88 in Denton, 88 in Fort Worth, and 90 degrees tomorrow in Waxahachie. Over the next couple of days, eventually, yes, temperatures go down, but not by a whole lot. We're talking 1 to 2 degrees. If you are headed to Texas OU this weekend, just prepare that it's still going to be hot. Lots of sun, a wind coming in out of the southeast, and we top out at 90 degrees. Tonight, though, we're dropping to 70 degrees. Tomorrow afternoon, close to 90. We're going to stay in the upper 80s for now. Then the 14-day forecast showing that this week still looks very warm. Basically, it looks very dry, but the second half, we finally have maybe a little bit of fall showing up. You can see that by the end of the 14 days, some 70s are showing up. Jason, back to you.